Hi, ceiling fan number 2.
Yeah, ceiling fan number 1.
Do you want to go on a helicopter?
We're ceiling fans. We can't go on helicopters.
Oh yeah, good point.
So what do you want to do instead?
B, helicopters?
What? Hey, ceiling fan number 1. What are you listening to?
I'm listening to my music.
Hey, I like your music. What other songs does this artist have?
Here's one.
Yeah, do you want to hear my favorite song?
Okay.
I am a wash machine. I make your clothes very clean. I get rid of all the cream, but if you punch me, then I get beat.
Hey, ceiling fan number 1.
Yes, ceiling fan number 2.
Did you know that we can respawn?
What? Really?
Yeah, let's try it out.
Oh my god! We're still alive! That's awesome! Huh? What did you just say? Excuse me? Are you like 8-bit or something?